Here are just a few of my favorite results from the AI tools we're going to be playing with today. AI character creation used to be a nightmare. Just a few months ago, I was struggling to find a tool that could create consistency like this. But now we've got options. All I wanted was a consistent character. AI promised it, and I found out which tools actually deliver. In this video, I'll show you the 3 best AI tools for consistent character creation. The first is the most well-known tool. The second one, nobody's talking about, but it is hands down my personal favorite. And the third, totally free. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share another free resource that'll level up your AI imagery no matter what tool you choose. More about that later. But for now, let's get right into our first AI tool for creating consistent characters. I'm starting with ChatGPT because I know a lot of you already have subscriptions. But if you're a free user or you don't already use ChatGPT, you'll probably be more interested in the next tool I'm going to share, so hang on just a sec. ChatGPT did get a major image upgrade recently, and suddenly it became like 100 times better at character consistency overnight. And as long as you do the 2 things I'm about to share with you, you should get near perfect results every time. So number 1, always upload a reference image. When I first described my character to ChatGPT, I asked it to create a character sheet image to show all angles. I cropped out the text and that first image to keep things simple, and then I used this as a reference image for every image prompt. The second thing I always do to make sure my characters stay consistent is to copy and paste their descriptions into every single image prompt. These came out amazing, right? I don't see any inconsistencies at all. And ChatGPT can even edit your images with text prompts too. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's no longer my preferred character creation tool, I've gotten some jaw-dropping results that made me wonder why I still have Photoshop. Seriously, check out this video up here if you want to see some of the insane things it can do. But the one thing that ChatGPT still can't seem to get right since the new update is specific aspect ratios. You can manage to get a wide image, a tall image, or a square image in general, but if you ask for 16:9 to get your image in shape for a YouTube video, you'll be super annoyed when you have to crop your images manually. That's one of the reasons I prefer this next tool for creating characters. The second way to create consistent characters is with Design AI, and this one is my personal favorite. It has a character dashboard that makes the process incredibly streamlined, and recent updates have made it even faster to get started. Here's how you can design a brand new character using their latest features. If you're starting from scratch, you can simply describe your character to get started now. I had ChatGPT lend a hand with this prompt I pasted in. Then I'm going to name my character, which ChatGPT did for me. And I don't think I've seen this 3D style yet. Pixie Pop. Must be another new addition. Let's give it a go and generate character preview. It gave me 2 options, and I think I like the first one best. But there's always the regenerate button if you don't like what it gives you. After my character is selected, all I've got to do is start training and let design work its magic. And just like that, your character is ready to be used in various scenes. Design also offers other cool features like inserting additional consistent characters into the same scene and editing their facial expressions, which you can explore once you've trained a couple of characters. Or you can explore them with me in this video up here. I've also personally been exploring the built-in image-to-video tools they offer because they recently updated the credit system for videos, and now you can get a lot more bang for your buck using popular tools like Kling, Luma, Minimax, and even Runway right in Design AI. So obviously, Design's my personal favorite AI tool for consistent character imagery, but it's definitely not free. So let's talk about the third way you can create consistent characters. Google's ImageFX. I don't know about you, but when I first started designing characters with AI, I wasn't ready to go all in and pay for a monthly app. So if you're just starting out on your AI storytelling journey and you want to create consistent characters for free, I'm about to show you the AI tool that's got your back. We'll start with Klaus von Bommel, who was from one of my early bedtime rhyme stories. His character description is super simple. 2D minimalistic illustration of a little boy. Klaas van Bommel is a 10-year-old Dutch boy. He's a rosy-cheeked boy with orange, short but wild curly hair. He's wearing a white short-sleeved shirt, brown suspenders, and brown shorts. He's barefoot. And I'm not going to change any of these settings. There we have it. Those are perfect. Exactly what the prompt asked for. So now I'm just going to click on this lock here to close it. When locked, the seed will guide our next images to look just like this. Okay, so let's add to this basic character description to give Klaas something to do. He's running down a grassy hill and into a field of springtime wildflowers. His arms are spread wide as he runs. There we go, that's perfect. Now, let's delete this bit about Klaas running through the field, but I'm still going to leave this character description. Now I want him to be standing on a dirt path with a sad look on his face. His whole body is drooping. It's raining, and the sky is sinister looking and stormy. Now, I'm not at all sure why we only got one image. Sometimes it generates 4 images, sometimes only 1 or 2, but regardless, I'd say it nailed it. All 3 prompts returned a consistent Klaas van Bommel showing totally different emotions in brand new scenes. And the style is pretty consistent too. Now, don't forget to unlock the seed when you're creating a brand new character, so you can avoid blending features from your previous one. So, there you have it. 3 different AI tools to create consistent characters for your stories. Which one will you use? No matter what tool you choose, though, if you want to make sure your images are absolute scroll stoppers, you've got to download my cinematic cheat sheet. It's a free PDF packed with film industry vocab that you can add to your image and video prompts for stunning results. You can grab that from the description below. And if you thought this video was useful, I think you'll love these too. Discover what else is possible with Design AI in this video, or see more of what ImageFX can do in this video here. I'll see you over there. Happy creating.